Hi everyone, morning. I'm off to my appointment, so I'm putting this day cream. Okay, I just came back from holiday, so I'm very tan right now. Okay, so I'm going to show you how do you do a beach kind of look and suitable for everyday use. You know, like for me, I went tanning. Okay, I was like asleep in the pool in Bali. So first thing first, we need a very moisturizing primer. So I'm going to use my primer. Okay, so primer just move downwards. Okay, and then I'm going to show you how I do my makeup for tan skin. I just got this from it's a highlighting strobing cream thingy, and it's suitable for my tan skin because if not, right, I look very dull. So this is how you cheat with your foundation. So I got my darker foundation color. I'm using Mary Kay Beige 3 and Beige 5 together. This is no joke when you are very tan. And then you just mix together. You see I mix these two together, and then don't mix like one big pile kind of thing. Just I like to do one area at a time. So I like to do my cheeks first, then I do my nose. So when you want to do your eyes, you do patting motion. So I am a fan of this luminous foundation. I actually mix matte and luminous together so that it helps to absorb my oil. So I don't like to use too much concealer, so I didn't use. Just make sure that you blend properly. After my holiday, I have to use a lot of collagen mask because the mask is quite hydrated. So recently I went to perm my lashes as well. How lazy can you get, right? Okay, so everything just moved downwards, and so make sure everything is quite blended. Okay, I'm done. Then after that, you wipe off. So I like to use a bit of powder. Oh, the weather is crazy. I don't like to use aircon because my skin is very so dehydrated. So I'm not gonna on my aircon today. Okay, next I'm gonna use my powder, and I am going to use this powder puff as usual. I'm a puff person. I cannot live without puff. So I'm going to use this powder. Recently Mary Kay came out with the white powder. So don't powder everything. Just powder at the area where you need. Because I like to look a bit matte at the center. See, this powder is colorless, so you don't have to worry. Okay, alright, cool. Alright, good. Next, I'm gonna put I am a fan of highlighting powder. So I got this highlighting powder at the airport. Your boyfriend is working at the airport, you get 10%. Okay, so I got this as my highlighter because you know when you're tan, right, you need a lot of highlighter. If not, your skin looks very dull. So okay, cool. Then I like to use my blusher. My blusher tends to be quite tan looking also because right now, since I'm so tan, right, okay, just make sure that the color pops. This one has a bit of bronzing effect. So this is how I cheat to look slimmer. Okay, so you know when you are very dehydrated, right, you better put on like lip balm and all these things. So I like to use this lip balm. So I already done my scrub. So this lip balm has a bit of tint because of the scrub that you did, right? So it looks like you have pinkish lips after that. So you wanna know and want to try the lip spa, you can come for my class and try. Okay, next I'm gonna put a little bit of simple makeup. I am gonna use my eye primer. This eye primer is the best. Mary Kay eye primer, you know why? It helps to prime your eye makeup, make it long lasting. Especially our weather is crazy these days. So I like to use my eye primer. So just do tapping motion. Okay, and then I like to touch up my brows a little bit. I went for the embroidery for Misty Brows at Fabulous Aesthetics. So they are very, very good. I quite liked it. I introduced a lot of friends to them as well. Please take note, I'm not paid by them. I pay my own things, okay? Okay, so just want to color a little bit. Okay, just a little bit light eyebrows. After you're 10, right? You have limited colors to play with. And I like to use gold eyeshadow. So I use a very simple eyeshadow color. Make sure you moisturize your eyes with the... I love this eye cream. I use this in the day. I use this firming eye cream in the day actually. And then I use the Time-Wise Repair for at night. Time-Wise Repair helps to reduce the eye circles and puffiness and also reduce fine lines and wrinkles. So what you see right now is me without concealer. I just put foundation and the powder. You saw it yourself just now. Okay, cool. Just a very simple eye makeup like this. Okay, make sure the color is equal. Okay, and then I will use a highlighting powder. Great to have birthday gifts, you know, you get like free gift like this. Okay, cool. And then I am using my eyeliner. I got this from Japan on Osaka trip these days, last month. Oh my god, the Japanese are crazy about eyeliners. I thought only the Koreans, but yeah. So I use pencil first, then I use liquid so it lasts longer this way. So this is my secret. So this is also from Japan that I got this eyeliner. If you go Tokyo, Osaka, invest in this XL. This eyeliner is quite good. Who's going to Japan again? Please tell me to buy this. Okay. Just make sure your eyeliner is equal. See, sometimes you do a blooper like this. It's okay. Don't worry about it. Just use your cotton bud and sharpen it up. Nobody's perfect, you know. Okay, cool. See? This is how you get your... This is how you cheat. Make sure you just brush through. Okay, alright, cool. I did my lashes with Lynn. Lynn is my nail girl as well. If you need her contact, let me know. Alright, so next I'm gonna put a little bit of the mascara. I also got this from Japan. You know, when you curl your lashes, it's so convenient, you don't need to okay, sorry, I don't talk and do it at the same time. But you know, Chinese Asian women, you cannot, when you do your mascara, right, just do like this. Whoever will tell you to zigzag, right, for Asian lashes, right, it's nonsense. Okay, you end up with more clumps, so just do like this will do. And I like to use this, this is my trick. Oh, okay, I like to use this heated curler thingy. This one really works. I got this, actually, if you're interested, right, I can get this for you at $30 or $25, I can't remember it. Yeah, but this one is nice. And then if you are lazy to curl your lashes, you can use this one to hold your lashes. It will help to heat your lashes a little bit. See? Curl by itself. You can curl higher.